So it is. Oh, what time is it? Like 8:30 in the morning. Yeah, 8:36 in the morning. It's nice and bright out, as you can see. My recliner has been removed, and as promised, I'm sharing with the world opening of the box of my new desk. Sorry guys, I'm not all awake here. Put that there. See if, okay, you guys can see pretty well. See here. It is a solid wood desk. My mother is staring at me. Oh, please say I don't have to flip this bitch over. This thing's heavy. Oh, no, there it is. Ha-ha. Ha-ha. I found the edge. When I say solid wood, I mean solid wood, people. Cherry, I think. Where's the champagne? It's one of the two. It's a C. I know that. Okay, try not to lose that. You're probably listening to me grunt and groan and growling. What the fuck is she doing? Ah! Apparently, I'm knocking my camera over. And I'm trying to open it up. Like so. Ha! Say! What? Damn it! Help! My mother's standing there watching. You're finding this amusing, aren't you? I have some cardboard or something. Okay, let me see here. Stay. Guys, when I said solid wood, I meant solid wood, goddammit. Here we go. I'm trying to get to the instructions. Probably excessive amounts of plastic. God damn it, Amazon. Yes, I promise I will put links into where I got it, how much I paid for it. Like, yeah, somewhere around like $100 and something. It isn't bad for a desk, especially not a nice desk like this. You gotta admit it. Yeah, I've got to put it together. All those little bastard pieces. But damn it, I need a desk. Alright, I will see you guys in a few hours. Okay, you guys. An hour later. Yeah, exactly an hour later. I've got this part done. You can see. I had to decipher this shit, okay? Look at this crap. Look at this. Look at it. I had to decipher this shit. And I've still got like 5 other parts to do. Look at this crap. It's like, what the fuck? Easy to assemble my happy little ass. Good lord. Okay. So after a lot of grr and growl and just all around pissy, I feel like ignore the fact that I'm watching Daredevil Season 2. Yes, it is out, people. And yes, I am watching it. The damn desk is up. Yes, that's my white thighs. It's too hot to wear anything beyond, you know, a pair of shorts. So it's so far. The shelves here will be filled. Right there too. I'm probably going to move that shelf right there in the middle up one so that I have more room down there. I've got lots of room. That part right there, see where my keyboard's sitting? That gave me so much trouble. I was about ready to toss it out the window. So, it's all done. It's up and it's good, and I need to switch out blankets or something on this chair because it is itchy as all hell. I will see you guys later and hopefully have an actual what the fuck am I up to video. Alright, bye.